Good. All right, let me turn and face this way for me. So for this one, working on his sacrum and his pelvis on the left side. Same thing, a pretty easy adjustment. You already know what to do. There we go. That was easy. Turn the other way for you. Same thing, sacrum here. And now to the most important part of this adjustment, the cervical spine. Again, we've already checked for what he needs, so you've done that with a thorough exam. So we're gonna start with C5 on the left, right there.